Mũini wĩ gatũ Shiru wa GP na ũrĩa wĩ ngumo mũno gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ona nginya nja wa bũrũri nĩonetie Samidoh rũkũngũ na ona to Samidoh tu ona nginya Aini angĩ aingĩ arĩa me ngumo mũno gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ kana na njĩra ĩngĩ artists who have ranked among the most popular artists in the country both in the Kikuyu entertainment industry and also in the entire Kenyan music industry at large. Shiru wa GP nĩarakorirwo akĩmaikia nja othe na kumĩra ta mũini ũrĩa nyĩmbo ciake ciĩroreirwo mũno mwena wa YouTube gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. That is the most streamed artist on YouTube in 2022. Shiru wa GP ranked number 5 among the most viewed Kenyan artists in the country on YouTube and number 10 among all artists viewed in Kenya, including artists from other countries. Neno nĩyo list ĩrĩa ĩrakorirwo ĩkĩrekererio nĩ YouTube official kũrĩa maugĩte atĩ the most streamed artist on YouTube in Kenya in 2022. Namba ĩmwe arĩ Diamond Platnumz from Tanzania, Rayvanny, Mbosso, Harmonize, Zuchu. Number 5 arĩa acio othe nĩ kuma Tanzania. And then number 6 Bahati, 7 Otile Brown, 8 Willy Paul, 9 Sauti Sol, and number 10 Shiru wa GP. And since number 1 to 5 are all Tanzanian artists, kuma namba ithathatũ nginya namba 10 niho our Kenyan artists are. Kogo Bahati is the most streamed artist in Kenya as a Kenyan artist. Number 2 akorwo Otile Brown, number 3 Willy Paul, number 4 Sauti Sol, and number 5 Shiru wa GP. Wow, nĩ ũhotani mũnene mũno kuona atĩ she's the first and only Kikuyu artist to ever make it to such a mega list. Not to mention she's the only female artist in Kenya to make it to that list. She has made history na Gûtiga Aini arĩa angĩ othe makimereria mata ũhotani ũyũ wake. She too was overwhelmed and overjoyed with this news and she couldn't hide her excitement as she took to all her social media platforms to celebrate the big win and also shared the good news with all her fans akiuga, to God be all the glory forever and ever. Thank all for the support to spreading the gospel. Amen. Congratulations to her. It is not a small thing to make it to such a list. Na onake nĩacokeirie Ngai ngatho akiuga it is all God's glory. Congratulations are very much in order. Congratulations Shiru wa GP. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe gũkũ gwa Kikuyu Entertainment News kũrĩa tũkũrehagĩra the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news as soon as they happen. Join the team, subscribe now and you'll never miss an update.